Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the same class name in this very same project or even PHP file. So basically, you can't use the same class name twice, even though it may be required for your current project. So, here is an introduction to namespaces, which can make your project more efficient and arranged. So, as you can see, I've used the same class name user in both cases, and I'm getting an error. To overcome this, we will be using namespaces, so even though the same class name exists, each one will be in its own namespace. Let me see what happened here. Oh, I forgot to change the variable. Sorry. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Follow me for more videos like this.